visited Yongsan after 21 years and swallowed my tears when I visited the house I used to live in. The U.S. military base in Yongsan where I lived as a child. I finally found the house I used to live in. It has been open to the public as Yongsan Park, and many people are now visiting.
Hi, Fred. I like tea. Very hot today. Iced tea, please.
We don't have a fridge.
For a moment, old memories came to mind and tears welled up in my eyes. I miss my childhood and think of it. I think of all the people and moments I spent with. The memories are gone and I am back here now. Looking at the exhibition materials, I was reminded of my old friends, neighbors, and various activities I did together. Childhood, when I lived in the Yongsan U.S. military base. There was a precious time when I was exposed to Korean culture, concerts, exhibitions, and Korean food. It brought me back to the old days. I thought of my Korean mother. Julie guided me here. I am grateful. "21 years have passed, but Korea is still warm and familiar. I visited the alley again, and I met the memories of bulgogi, kimbap, kimchi, donkatsu, tteokbokki, the spicy scent of snack bars, honey-flavored taffy, and patbingsu. I ate the food of my memories as Myeongdong street food.
Marshall Islands.
어디요? 와. 이거는 퀄리티드 허니. Not sugar. One with boil and dry, boil and dry. So, oh, very hot. Oh, it's so hot. So, 알몬의 peanut flavor not so sweet. But chocolate flavor with cacao powder. Okay. Make four. And one more time make four. And then look like a donut. 스웨치 미들 바이 미들 스웨치 소리라 소리라 how many 16,000 304 how many just 64 from 2 double then become 16,304 how many from 2 double 8 double 16 double how many 32 and 64 double what is it and 5 square and
Are you ready? Good.
I made advance reservations for things I wanted to do when I came to Korea a few months in advance. I experienced and enjoyed all the different cultures. I went on a city tour to Gyeongbokgung Palace, Cheonghwa-dae, Insa-dong, Namsan, and Seoul Tower. I also experienced making stone stamps, making makgeolli, and learned about cloisonné crafts. I went went on a DMZ tour and visited Suwon Washung Fortress and Namhan Sansung Fortress.
Gyeongbokgung Royal Palace Dining Hall, one of only 3 original buildings. The pillars have impacts from bullets from the Korean War.
Yummy?
I went to Hamilton Shirt in Itaewon, where I used to go often with my dad, and got a dress shirt and a nice suit tailored to me.
How are you?
뭐야? 이거 뭐지? 이름이? Stingray? Beautiful.
화살란에서만 나는 나무래.
Thank you.
I couldn't hear what you said. Ask about what?
Alright, well, it's so good to see you. Thank you. I hope that we can talk again sometime like this before we go in September.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Yeah? Alright, well.
I don't know if you met here or if you knew each other already. They already knew each other. But this is such an opportunity because many times we meet people that we would have never met and sometimes from the same area we came from.
His family. You. Good to see you. I'm glad to see you.
I know Mom and Dad are looking forward to getting to see you.
Yeah, I'm waiting for.
Boy can get young man. Handsome. Right?
Yes.
Okay.
She volunteers with Wreaths Across America, and she has a radio program with them. She serves on the board for a mission in the Philippines with some very dear family friends. She's busier than I think when she was working too.